2.2.3 Cell organization. Atoms are organized into molecules, molecules into organelles, and organelles into cells. Cells are divided into several compartments called organelles, each with a characteristic structure, biochemical composition and function. The cell must possess enough information to specify which molecules are to be associated in a specific compartment. It is ensured to route the appropriate groups of molecules to their compartments. According to the cell theory, all living things are composed of one or more cells as unicellular and multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, the single cell performs all life functions independently. In multicellular organisms, various levels of organization are present. They are made up of more than one type of cells and have specialized cells that are grouped together to carry out specialized functions. Individual cells may perform specific functions and also work together for the survival of the entire organism. The cells become dependent on one another. There are 5 levels of organization in multicellular organisms: cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, and organisms. Cells are the simplest level of organization. Specialized cells show division of labor by being grouped into tissues. The tissues may be further grouped into organs and the organs into systems. Each tissue, organ or system has a particular function and a structure appropriate to that function. Tissues. A tissue is a group of cells with similar structures, working together to perform a particular function. In each tissue, the cells are alike, with the same characteristics of size, form, and arrangement. They are specialized of differentiated both structurally and physiologically to perform some particular functions. Plant tissues. Plant tissues deal with the study of internal structure of various parts of the plant like root, stem, and leaf. All these parts are made up of different kinds of tissues. The cells of a tissue generally have a common origin. In the higher plants, tissues show a division of labor and form 3 basic tissue systems in plants. Level of organization in plants. The plant body of most vascular plants is constructed from millions of tiny cells. They have characteristic shapes and functions and are grouped together to form tissues. Various types of tissues are grouped together into a structural and functional unit called an organ. The organs that perform major activity together are formed as a system. Organs. 1. Plant organs include roots, stems, leaves, and flowers, which consist of tissues. 2. There are less organs in plants as compared to animals. Organ systems. 1. The plant body consists of 2 main systems. A. The root system, underground part, is composed of main roots and branches. These organs are formed as the absorptive system, absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. B. The shoot system, above ground part, is composed of stems, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The stem acts as a support system and the flower performs as a reproductive system. Root system and shoot system work together as a plant. B. Animal tissues. Animal tissues can be classified into 4 basic groups. 1. Epithelial or covering, 2. Connective or supporting, 3. Muscle or contractile, and 4. Nervous. Each tissue type is assembled from individual cells that determine the structure and the function of the tissue. The structure and integrity of a tissue depend on the structure and organization of the cytoskeleton within the cells, the type and organization of the extracellular matrix (ECM) surrounding the cell, and the junctions holding cells together. Organs. Organs are body structures composed of several different types of tissues that form a structural and functional unit. One example is the heart, which contains cardiac muscle, connective tissue, and epithelial tissue, and is laced with nerve tissue that helps to regulate the heartbeat. Organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs that function together to carry out the major activities of the body. For example, the 7 main systems in the human body is given below. 1. Digestive system. The digestive system is composed of the digestive tract, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These organs cooperate in the digestion of food and the absorption of digested products into the body. 2. Gas exchange system. Including the lung, which exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. 3. Circulatory system. Including the heart and blood vessels, which transport materials around the body. 4. Excretory system. Including the kidneys, which filter toxic waste materials from the blood. 5. Nervous system. Consisting of the brain, spinal cord and nerves, which coordinate the body's actions. 6. Endocrine system. Glands secreting hormones which act as chemical messengers. 7. Reproductive system. Producing male and female gametes, respectively, and allowing the development of the embryo.